Hello students, welcome to the English 1 class. Today we will start our second term syllabus. So the topic of second term syllabus is personal pronoun. First of all, what is pronoun? Pronoun is a word that take place in the place of noun. Now here are some examples. This is Ravi. Ravi is a noun. Ravi is a famous doctor. Number 3, Ravi treats patient very carefully. In number 4 also, every patient likes to be treated by Ravi. Now in all these sentences, there is a repetition of one word, that is noun. Ravi, 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 Ravi. Now in this sentence, we can use another thing, that is he. We can use he instead of Ravi. Then meaning will remain same. Like this is Ravi in first sentence. Now in second sentence, he is a famous doctor. The sentence remains same. We write over here he instead of Ravi. Now in third sentence, Ravi treats patient very carefully. We can use he instead of Ravi. Now in fourth sentence, every patient likes to be treated by Ravi. We can use him instead of Ravi. Okay? Now what is pronoun? A word that is used in place of noun is called pronoun. Understood? Now he, him, she, her, they, we, I, all are pronoun. Okay? Now, first person pronoun. Now in these sentences, I is a pronoun. Amit gave me pronoun. We should obey our parents. Now in these three sentences, I is pronoun, me is also pronoun, we is also pronoun, and my, and likewise other. In first person pronoun, what is first person pronoun? All pronouns that are used for the person speaking, like I am speaking and I is the first person pronoun. I am Sudha, like I am Jagpreet. What will be I? I will be my first person pronoun. This in this category, the person who is speaking is the first person pronoun. Okay, likewise now second person pronoun. Now in these sentences, in first sentence, you are intelligent, you is the second person. All pronouns that are used for the person spoken to. I am speaking about another person. It means that I am speaking about second person. You is the second person. You are intelligent. You will be by second person pronoun. In second sentence, they praise you for your honesty. Your will be second person. In third sentence, this dictionary is yours. Now look one thing. In first sentence, you come as a subject. Okay? In second sentence, you come as a object. Now, in third sentence, yours is possessive pronoun. Now, understood? In first sentence, you act as a subject. In second sentence, yours act as a object. And in third sentence, yours act as a possessive pronoun. Now comes third person pronoun. In first sentence, I gave him a gift. Him is a third person pronoun. These pens are his. His is a third person pronoun. Likewise, she is my friend. She is a third person pronoun. And in fourth sentence, I wanted to meet him. Him is a third person pronoun. Now what is third person pronoun? All the pronouns that are used to spoken about. Spoken about is a third person pronoun. For more clarification, I have this chart to show you. This is also on your books. Now this chart is already drawn in your book also. In first, subject case I, then object case will be me, then possessive case. Possessive adjective will be my. Likewise, possessive pronoun will be mine. And what will be remarked? It is used for the both masculine and feminine also. Then comes plural. We, in the case of subject, objective will be us, possessive adjective will be our, possessive pronoun will be ours, it will be s. Then it is also used for the both masculine and feminine also. Then comes second person pronoun. In this singular, you, subjective case, objective case will be you also. Then possessive case, possessive adjective will remain your, and in adjective it will be, in a pronoun it will be yours. Likewise, remark will be, it is used for the both masculine as well as feminine. Now comes plural of the second person. It will remain same. Subjective case you, objective case will remain same you, and possessive adjective will be your, and possessive pronoun will be your, and this is for the both. Now comes third person. Third person singular will be he. He will change into objective case, that will be him. Then possessive adjective will be his. It will remain same in the pronoun also, his, and this is for the masculine. He is used for the masculine. Now singular for the feminine. She, likewise, it will be in objective case it will be her. Possessive case adjective will be remain her, and possessive case pronoun will be hers. Now it is used only for feminine. It is understood that if we are using she, that it will be for feminine, for the female. Now singular for it. It in the subjective case will it. Objective case also it will be it. Then possessive adjective will be its, and there will be nothing in this blank in the possessive pronoun. So remark will be it is neutral. Then plural they. In the objective case them. Possessive adjective will be their. Possessive pronoun will be theirs, and it is applicable for all the genders. Now I hope that this chart is very much clear to you. Let us revise. What is pronoun? What is pronoun? Pronoun is a word that is used in the place of noun. Okay. Now there are three types. Three types of pronoun that is used for the first person, like I, me, my, we. This is the first person. Then second comes you, your, yours, and then third they, we, they, their, and likewise this. Now this is all about the personal pronoun.